Hello, here we are at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Sunny. Sunny, it's very nice to meet you. So could you tell me about your company?
Hello, my name is Sunny. My company is YingZhiMing Nanjing company. Sunny.
Good. And so where is your factory based?
This is Plush toy. It's very popular, and this pillow we have many colors. This blue, green, and orange.
Very good. And so there's a very lovely soft material with these plush toys. They're very soft and very cute, I have to say. And there's many different styles, like many different colors to choose from. So where do you create these products? Where is your factory?
My factory is Jiangsu Jiangning. This is my company.
So in Jiangsu province, yes. And it's over like 4,000 square meters, I can see. And so I assume that if it's safety first with products like this, it's like you have your certifications with the safety, correct? So you have your CBC and the ISO. And so what are your main export markets in the world? Where do you send your products?
Mainly is Japan, UK, and the USA.
Okay, very cool. So you have a lot. You have the whole area of the world. Okay, cool. So what is like your newest product that you're introducing?
Of course, this is a new product. This is a 10-year kitchen, and the hand is very soft.
And it has a very durable, like double head thing. So it's a very popular and sturdy gift for children and young children. And it's a very new market where all these kids are loving to put them on their phones and on their bags and always show them off to their friends. And they're very cute. Look at the little like scared face.
And the next one this is a Plush toy. The size is about 45 centimeters. And this hand is very soft.
Yeah, it's very squishy, and it's very like you could hug it like this. And it's very soft and very comforting for the children and the young children, and like they can, as a little toy for their bed, or like they can nap with it. Like as you can see in the picture, they just sort of fall asleep. So it's very interesting, very lovely products, and very wholesome products. So if I wanted to find more information and make an order for these products, where could I find the contact information? So where your name card, you could show me how to contact you.
This is a contact.
So on this you have the QR codes for both, for all the managers with WeChat and different accounts, and you also have the email and contact telephone number here. All the information there, and it'd be a great idea to make a call. So absolutely. Great talking to you. Thank you so much for introducing me. And you did great. I look forward to meeting you again. Thank you.